Welcome to KrispCall. Today, we'll show you how to add contacts individually or in bulk. Let's get started. To add a single contact, log into your KrispCall account. Navigate to the contacts. Click on Add New Contact in the right-hand corner. Enter the contact name and phone number. You can also add additional details such as email address, company, and their address. Now click on the Add New Contact button. To add contacts in bulk, click the bulk upload icon next to the Add New Contact. Now upload a CSV file with your contact information, which includes your name, phone number, email address, company name, and address. Next, wait till your file gets uploaded. Then, a screen pops up that suggests you import the contacts. Click on Import. Finally, KrispCall will process the information, adding your contacts in bulk. Simplify calls in KrispCall by adding contact details strategically for personalized interactions and efficient management, whether one by one or in bulk for time saving. Contact our chat support for more information.